Welcome to DIY Freeze Dry. I've got some extra helpers today for a fun Valentine's Day freeze drying run. Lincoln, what do you got for freeze drying?
Heart ice cream sandwiches.
Ooh. Bria, what you got for freeze drying?
Sparkling strawberry flavored ice cream.
Ooh, I bet it's pink. Wesley, what do you got for freeze drying?
Suckers and love cookies.
Oh, yum! So I am just going to adjust some of my settings. I don't want the extra freeze time. Fast mode, extra dye time, we're gonna say 7 hours, save. Start. I'm hoping this run gets done before the end of the day, so that's why I took off the extra hour of the freezing time so that we can get a taste test in before we go to bed. We will see. All right, we're gonna let the kids taste test a cookie before freeze drying so we can compare the softness. Go ahead and eat your cookie. Is it nice and soft?
Yeah. A little bit. It's a little bit hard. I just bit the frosting.
Of course you did. All right, yum yum. Let's get the cookies on the tray. We are gonna load up the little suckers. So just stick them on this tray. How about? That one broke. Oops.
Perfect.
Okay, next we'll do the ice cream sandwiches. It's hard to get these kids not to eat these, but stick them on the tray. No. You can spread them out. The pack only came with 4, so there's 4. And last, we're gonna scoop some ice cream on this thing.
Yes.
Okay, the kiddos want to help put these into the freeze dryer, so we are gonna do that now.
I drink the bottom.
Okay, hang on. We got Lincoln first. Try to hold it as flat as possible. Let me try to scoop these back.
I'll do the ice cream.
Okay, slide it in. There you go. All right, Westleton. Lift up high above your head. Here, put it right here. That's where you can reach.
Mom, does the freeze dryer spin?
No. All right, Bria's got the ice cream. It's cold in there.
Okay, now. Oh, it is.
And the lollipops.
Yes!
All right, who's excited for these?
Yes! Yes, we put the
Tell the people that we will check back when these are done.
Woo! We'll check back when they're done.
Bria, they can't see you. Come over here.
We'll check back when we're done. Bye!
Hello, friends. It is the next day. It's actually Valentine's Day today. Happy Valentine's Day again. We're gonna get this stuff out of the freeze dryer and hurry and get the kids to do a taste test for school so we can get this video up for our fun Valentine's Day. I opened my drain valve here on the back and I'm just gonna hit defrost. Here's our cookies. Our lollipops. Didn't do too much. Our ice cream. And our ice cream sandwiches. Yay! All right, here's another look at our goodies. I am going to get these upstairs for the kids to do our taste test. I wanted to show that the ice cream is kind of sticking, not terribly, and you can see here where it like melted before it went in. I probably should have pre-frozen it before I put it in, but this was just for fun, so whatever. How funny. What time is it, kids?
Valentine's taste test time.
Woo! Okay, grab the thing you want to taste test first. Wesley, what's with the shark?
Maybe this. Shark.
All right,
Wait,
one.
I actually want the heart.
2, 3, go.
Soft.
Bria got the ice cream. How is it?
Really good. Crunchy.
Does it taste like ice cream once you chew it up? Just not cold?
Yeah, it's like melted ice cream in your mouth.
Cool. How's Sucker?
Good.
This is a bad idea of sugar rush before school, but okay, Lincoln and Bria have the cookies. Wesley's got the ice cream. Go.
The frosting didn't do anything.
The frosting's still kind of soft? What about the cookie?
Crunchy.
What do you think? All right, last we gotta show is ice cream sandwich. I cut up the ice cream sandwich and it just like crumbled apart. So fun. All right, Bria and Lincoln got ice cream sandwich. Wesley and Shark Puppet have cookie.
Bria has 2 layers.
Okay, scooch together so we can see ya. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, hard.
Can't chew through it. How's the cookie, Wes?
Good.
Oh boy, yeah, we've made a mess.
I need to do one more. I did not do the ice cream.
Okay. Lincoln has ice cream scoop, Bria has sucker, Wesley has ice cream sandwich. Go!
Hard.
Okay. 5-second rule? Okay, yeah, whatever. How's the ice cream, Lincoln?
Good.
Is that cool? Bria, I didn't mean for you to eat the whole sucker.
Yum.
Yum! Everyone like their Valentine's treats?
Yeah. You need to make more.
All right, the mom can't be left out of the taste test, so I'm gonna try the ice cream sandwich. Mmm. It almost just tastes more like a cookie than an ice cream sandwich, with the flavor of ice cream sandwich, but like in cookie form. Super good. There's the lights and the reflection. There's a peek of all the snow outside. We got a bunch of snow over the last few days. But I wanted to thank you guys for celebrating Valentine's Day with us today. Hope you all have a wonderful day and that you show the ones you love how much you appreciate them. I know my kids are so excited to have their Valentine's Day party at school today. Super exciting stuff. Thank you for watching. Make sure you're a subscriber so you can find all the fun things that we're doing here at DIY Freeze Dry. We will see you on the next one.